Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about algo trading. In my previous video we are discussing about how to connect API bridge with the trading chart. In this video we are discussing about algo trading. First of all, we need to open the software API bridge. Just click. Then login. Okay, now API bridge is open. Here you can add whatever the stocks you want to trade. You just add the stock here and you can see here login to API. Just click it. If it asks with the Fire's login, you just log in Fire's ID and password. Okay, now it's connected and here you can see start trading. Click start trading. Now only it connected to the terminal. Okay, so that's it. Then minimize it. Then go to mycode.pro. Here index you can see here. Just click it. TradingView connections. Just click it. Here you can see free version of TradingView for automation, strategy automation. Just click this one. And this is the automatic signal. And here you can see download the PineScript algo here. Just click here and copy this one. Just copy and ITC chart. This is the ITC. And if you want to add any stock, you can add it here. Whatever stock you added, make sure that that stock you should add here also. Then Pine editor, just click it, paste here and add to chart. Click it. This signal is based on MACD. Here settings, you just click settings. So MACD fast moving average and MACD slow moving average, MACD signal line moving average. Okay, factor and PD. So you can change as per your wish. Okay, here also you can select that. So this is based on MACD signal. So whenever it's give buy or sell, it will showing here, and whenever it get sell signal, it directly goes to the algo bridge. Then from here it's going to the terminal. Okay, so this is the one of the automatic strategy. Once you add here, do next step. You just select time frame here, which time frame you want. If you want 5 minutes, you can just click 5 minutes. Then you can see here alert. Just click this alert. And here condition change to super trend moving average. Then this one you just delete it, and here you can see the code. This one strategy dot comment order dot comment. Just copy and paste here, then create it. That's it. So whenever the condition is matched, here show the alert. Once alert is formed here, the signal sent to the API bridge. From API bridge, it goes to our trading terminal. Okay, this is one of the automatic signal. If you want another one, you just cancel this one and this also. There is another super trend based automation strategy is there. Just click that one. Click here and copy this one. This is based on super trend. Again go to the Pine editor, add to chart. See, this is the super trend signal. This is based on super trend, and here whenever you add the signal, make sure that alert. Just click the alert and change it to super trend, and this one just delete it and just copy this comment, strategy.order.comment. just copy and paste here, click here. That's it. So this is the super trend based signal. So whenever super trend show a buy signal, it will buy at current market price, And if you have any existing position, first of all it's cancel the existing position and take a fresh buy. And here settings, this is a 10.3, and if you want to change 3.4 or something, 3.2 like that, you can change here also. Any super trend value you can change here. Okay, and if you have any secret coding super trend value, you can add here. Okay, so it will be working automatically. So main thing, you just copy the signal from there and paste it here, Pine Editor, and put it alert here. Just click the alert. Free version only one alert is possible, so just put the alert here, that strategy.order.comment, that you can copy from here. Okay, that's it. So this is a super trend alert. I think this one is better compared to MACD. You can add any other settings here, super trend value here, any super trend value, so that's fine. So whenever it's take buy or sell, it will automatically take buy and sell to our trading terminal. Main thing you have to follow is just copy and paste the code to Pine Editor, then put it alert, and the stock, added the stock here, the same stock you added AlgoBridge also, that's it. And it will be start automatically. Whenever it take buy or sell, it will directly goes to the terminal. So hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.